Mounting bracket. Install shockwave handle. Put the handpiece and treatment head on the stand. Operating head replacement. Remove the operating head from the handle by rotating it counterclockwise, and then install the next operating head onto the handle by rotating it clockwise. Method of replacement bullet. 1. Twist the work head from the front of the working handle. 2. With the working handle facing down, hitting the working handle and the bullet will come out. 3. Use a brush to clean the pipes. 4. Put the new bullet into the working handle and then tighten the working handle. Connect the power cord and turn on the power button. Select the operating area, settings. Each body part interface comes with default parameters and recommended probe settings. If you find the parameters too high or too low during treatment, you can adjust them manually. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.